I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread on a pan easy guide. Start by mixing 500 g flour, 300 ml water, 7 g yeast, and 10 g salt until a rough dough forms. Knead for about 8 minutes until elastic, then let it rest covered for 30 minutes. Divide, shape into rounds, and cook each on a lightly oiled pan over medium heat for 4 to 6 minutes per side until golden. Heat a heavy pan over medium heat until hot but not smoking, then reduce to medium-low for even cooking. Add a thin film of oil or butter to prevent sticking and to brown the crust. Place dough rounds, press gently, and cook 4 to 6 minutes per side, covering briefly to trap steam if needed. Adjust heat if the bread browns too fast, and use a lid for thicker loaves. Quick reminder, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. The handy Kindle Paperwhite pairs great with recipe reading and timers when you cook. I love using it near the stove. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can explore it too. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Change flavor by mixing herbs, garlic, or grated cheese into the dough before resting for subtle taste boosts. Substitute part of the white flour with whole wheat for nuttier flavor and more fiber, adjusting hydration slightly. For sweet versions, add 2 tablespoons sugar and cinnamon, or fold in olives and sun-dried tomatoes for savory results. Experiment with fillings and cook time to match loaf thickness. Serve warm with butter or dipping oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.